What's goody? About to be heading to some repairs. Need to water my plant. It's a Christmas tree, but since it's February, it's a Black History Month tree. Get out there. It's pretty chilly. Yeah, today we're gonna be heading to North Richland Hills to see why somebody's AC isn't working. Yeah. This the car right here. A Nissan Maxima. This one's nice. .5 V6 CVT transmission. You got nitrous hooked up to it. This recently had a condenser installed, and I think just one of the bolts got mixed up, because I typically don't see those kinds of bolts on a condenser. So I think the issue is that it just got mixed up with this bolt right here. My boy. I don't think we have to take that part off though.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Unless you want to.
No.
Okay.
You ain't gotta do it.
Yeah. Got that back on there. Just resealed the fittings to that line right there. And that one. Should be good. Should be good to go. On to the next one. That wasn't too difficult.